Paladin has introduced Nighthawk 2.0, an autonomous NDAA-compliant drone designed as public safety infrastructure for drone as a first responder (DFR) programs worldwide. Nighthawk 2.0, drone as a first responder. Built on DFR concepts, Nighthawk 2.0 launches immediately when an emergency call comes in, reaching the scene in about 70 seconds to provide real-time aerial situational awareness. Designed to operate across cities, disaster zones, and critical incidents where agencies need fast, reliable, and mission ready aerial data, Nighthawk 2.0 is designed with an emphasis on shortening the time between the first report of an incident and the first overhead view. The platform is manufactured in the United States and is described as NDAA compliant, targeting agencies that must meet U.S. sourcing and security requirements for unmanned systems. Flight performance and sensor suite. Nighthawk 2.0 offers more than 40 minutes of flight time and a reported cruising speed of more than 70 kilometers per hour, enabling it to cover large urban areas from fixed launch sites. Guided by advanced sensors, precision GPS, and obstacle avoidance, the drone supports operations over diverse terrain and in unpredictable conditions. For imaging, the aircraft carries a 4K wide camera, a zoom camera with 10x optical capability, and a 640p thermal sensor, allowing first responders to switch between visual and thermal views as conditions demand. Unlimited range 5G/LTE connectivity keeps remote pilots and command staff connected to the live video feed and telemetry throughout an incident response. Global public safety infrastructure play. Paladin is deploying Nighthawk 2.0 rapid response capabilities with first responders in countries including the United States, India, and Portugal, positioning the system as public safety infrastructure rather than a standalone drone. To expand its global footprint, the company has partnered with Portuguese drone manufacturer Beyond Vision, integrating Paladin's all-in-one DFR solution with Beyond Vision's NATO-compliant, fully autonomous UAV systems. Public safety is the backbone of modern civilization. When people do not feel safe, everything suffers, said Daviditya Shrivastava, CEO of Paladin. We're excited to launch Nighthawk 2.0 to help build safer cities and give any city across the world less than 70-second response time for any emergency. World Defense Show Debut. Paladin is showcasing Nighthawk 2.0 at the World Defense Show, sharing a booth with Beyond Vision in Hall 1, Booth N32. Demonstration focused on how autonomous DFR deployments can deliver rapid aerial situational awareness, support first responders, and scale public safety infrastructure globally. More information about Paladin is available from their website. More information about Beyond Vision is available from their website.